everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Okay, who wants to learn something new today? I do. Well, it is March and it's time to change our membership badges. I'm going to teach you how to change those badges, how to make them for free, and how to upload them to your channel. We're going to have some fun. So come on along with me and I'll show you how to make your channel fun for everybody because people like that. Hey everybody, we are over here in Canva, and Canva is a free resource tool to make graphics and cool stuff for your channel, for your business, for your social media. And you can see down here on the screen on the bottom, these are my most recent things that I have created. And I do have two channels. I have Jody Genealogy, and I also have Marketplace Boutique. So if you don't know about my second channel, please go check that out. And that is Jody Genealogy. We have a lot of fun over there. And genealogy and history are definitely my passion. My husband and I love history. We love history. We love it. Okay, so we're going to have fun this summer. I cannot wait. Now, custom made badges are super fun for your channel because people are paying a membership or they've been gifted a membership. But isn't it fun to use those custom emojis when you're on somebody's channel? It's so much fun. We have about 30, 40, sometimes in the 50s amount of memberships. So we want to keep those members happy and we want those members to have fun on our channel. Okay, so what we're going to do is you can either do a custom size, but I have not been doing that lately. I've been doing just a super easy square. Let's do a square. Now, I'm going to show you a way to use it if you have a paid membership or not. You do not have to have a paid membership for this. And I just want to show you how you can do it even if you don't have a paid membership, because you know it's always good to be able to do things for free, especially if you're just starting out or you can't afford to pay all these memberships. Paying a subscription for everything you want in life can be really expensive. So I am going to show you how to find some freebies. We're going to go up here to St. Patrick's Day. Okay, now just remember, your badge for your channel is so small. It's so small, right? So just keep that in mind. We're going to go to graphics. We're going to see all. Now, we definitely want one of these clovers. This is something that's super easy to see. It doesn't have a lot of detail, right? So we are going to make it as big as you can. Control minus will make that screen a little bit smaller if you need to just fit it in there a little better. I'm going to make it as big as I can get this. Okay. And we are going to edit because you always have to edit this a little bit. And we are going to go down to saturation. I think I want it a little bit darker too. So we are going to go, let's see here. We're going to darken this up a little bit. There we go. I like that. We're going to go up here to share and then download. Now, as you can see, it says PNG. So, and then you can use a transparent background with a PNG. However, if you do not have the free version, then what you need to do is change that to a JPEG, JPG, okay? And that's not going to be a transparent background, but you know what? If you're on a computer, it's white anyway. You're not even going to notice that at all. And actually, I have noticed if you're on a cell phone or like a TV and it has a white background, I kind of think it shows up better. I think it looks better. So you don't have to have a transparent background. And if you feel like you need to, there's definitely free things that you can Google to use that on your cell phones and on your computer. So I'm going to download this as a JPEG. And that is free for everybody. Yay! Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put green. Let's do green heart. Okay, let's get rid of that. Kind of like this puffy heart better because it's shiny. Who doesn't like a shiny heart, right? I don't like the green though, so I'm going to show you how to change that a little bit. Will this, can I make this bigger? No. Okay. That is good. I don't like the green, so we're going to edit this. And you have to at least edit it one of something anyway. So I don't like that it has a lot of yellow, so I'm going to add blue. We're just going to add blue to this, and I like this. You can change these sliders around. I like that a lot better. I'm going to add some brightness. Contrast, sure. Let's add a little contrast. Saturation. Okay, I like that better. So I am going to save this. And I am just going to make this a JPEG too. Okay, so that puffy one is a pro, but you can choose the ones that are not. And really, there are ones here that are similar. You know, there's a green, there's different ones if you would like to choose. There's, I'm sure, so many that are very, very similar. Okay, so now we're going to go to St. Patrick's Day again. And I want to be able to have about 5 emojis that are really easy to see. Now here is a golden emoji for that's a good idea, right? Let's put Clover in here and see what we have. Okay, so here is a gold coin. So let's use this. That would be a fun piece to choose. This a little smaller, fit it in there better. Okay. Edit this a little bit again, make it a little brighter maybe. Okay. Contrast, I think I need a little bit of contrast. I'm gonna make this, okay. So basically you just move these sliders until it's the way that you like it. Download. Okay, so now we have like 2 or 3, right? Let's delete this one. Here's some recommendations. We can make a hat. That would be fun, right? A green hat for your badge. And badges are, I wish they would make the badges bigger, but they don't. They don't make them bigger. Okay, that looks good. We are going to adjust this a little bit. So I'm not quite sure of which ones I'm going to choose, but when I get over there, I will choose what I like the most and we will go with that. Okay, save this. Okay, how about like a pot of gold? I'm going to choose this pot. Okay, and I'm going to change this one a little bit. Add a lot of contrast. I don't actually like this one too much. I don't like that it's not big and bold enough for me. I like some color. Okay. Add a little bit of yellow. Brightness, maybe. Okay. And we're going to save that one. Okay, so now we're going to head over to our channel and I'm going to show you how to upload it in case you don't know how to upload these. I'll pick my favorites out of the 2 videos I made. hopefully this will show you how to use those custom badges for your members. This will make your channel super, super fun. And it's great just to get some ideas here. Hopefully this gave you some ideas on what to use and what to create for your channel in the spring or for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, let's head on over. Okay, so here I am back, and we're going to go into the studio. So you're going to click your icon up in the right-hand corner here, and we're going to go to YouTube Studio. You're going to go over here to the left-hand side, and you're going to go down until it says Earn. And then you're going to go to your memberships. Okay, so on the right-hand side is your levels. Here is your customized default perks arrow here. Now here are all my emojis still from Valentine's Day. We need to get rid of that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is choose some emojis here. And I don't think I have anything more than 12 months. Not that I can remember. So we are going to go here. We're going to replace this image. So at the end of the day, what you really want to find is the money, right? So we're going to choose this one. I'm going to go backwards. Okay. So 12 months, you found the pot of gold. Okay, so now 6 months, let's replace this one. And I'm going to choose the rainbow. Okay. 2 months, I'm going to replace that with a gold clover. Woohoo! 1 month is going to be a green clover. And my new member is going to be the lucky leprechaun. That's fun. He's going to find the pot of gold at the end. Okay, well, that's my storyline, and I'm sticking to it. So now all you have to do is press save and publish. Make sure you do that. Otherwise, it's not going to stick. Okay, so I'm back at my channel, and you should be all set now. So next time you do a live, or you do a premiere, or you upload a video, this should all be all set, and you will have custom badges for your members. Yay! Have fun, everybody. Have fun creating. Have an awesome day. Bye.